Hello friends, today I am going to tell you that how to write a good review paper. Recently I have published a review paper in Journal of Progress in Energy and Combustion Science having impact factor of 26.47. Many of my friends asked me how did you do that, and I thought why not to make a video which can help others regarding effective review paper. Paper, you need to know that in which technology a review is needed, and you need to collect the research articles related to that technology. You also must know that what have been done in that particular area, what are flaws, what is new in it, and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages in it. By reviewing all review paper and research articles, you should give critical insights by yourself. And while writing a review paper, most of the people do mistakes like they write same to same core results and findings from other previous articles, and they copy figures from other articles. It is okay with those articles which have the copyrights then, but if you are copying the same results from other review paper, it is not right. I have tips for these mistakes. Please give only core results in tables and discuss critically in text. And by analyzing figures in other articles, try to draw figures by yourself and merge different ideas. At the end of every section, give your own critical insights in the form of summary and indicate prominent findings and recommendations. Before writing a review paper, you must have to do the brainstorming. What is the purpose to write a review paper? An article review paper is both a summary and an evaluation of another writer's article, and you must have the clear understanding of the topic, understanding of the main points and arguments of the article is essential for an accurate summation. And you must also note that the scope of the review paper, scope must be in a logical evaluation of the article's main theme, supporting arguments and implications for further research. These are important elements in a review paper. Also, you must have to understand the review articles. You need to read many articles as you can on the particular subject, and you have to summarize all those main ideas and arguments, positions and findings, and then critique the article contributions to the field and overall effectiveness. Article reviews present more than just an opinion, and the critique of the article should be based on proof and your own thoughtful reasons. An article review only responds to the author's research. It typically does not provide any new research, but if you are correcting misleading or otherwise incorrect points, some new data may be presented. You must think about the organization of the review articles. You must know the how to summarize the article, discuss the positive aspects, and identify contradictions, gaps, and inconsistencies in the text. In the organization of the review article, before you are reading other articles which might you be reviewing, you need to understand how your article review will be set up, and your review will be set up in the following parts. These important parts are focus on the important points, claims and information, and discuss the positive aspects of the article. Think about what the author does well, what are the good points and insightful observations, and determine if there is enough data or research included to support the author's claim. Uh, find any unanswered questions left in the article. While reviewing the article and scrolling down to the article, please look at the title and then introduction and then abstracts, headings, opening sentences of each paragraph, and then the conclusion. After reading all these things, you might be able to conclude your own insights. And while reviewing other articles, uh, please connect what you read in the article to your existing knowledge of the topic, and does the article agree or disagree with your previous knowledge, and make sure you fully understand the article. There are some things that should be done and that shouldn't be done. These are please don't highlight every paragraph, just only highlight the center points, and supplement the most important points with notes or cross references. In do's and don'ts, please write a clear and logical structure. Make an outline of the main points and supporting research and arguments. And please raise or cross the less important arguments. Please don't try to edit the other articles. While you're formulating the concepts of your own research, you must be able to know that what does the article set out to do, and are the central concepts clearly defined? How adequate is the evidence? After all these things, you might be able to think about your title of the review paper. Your title should reflect the focus of your review, and decide between the declarative title, descriptive title, or interrogative title. The introduction must be 10 to 25% of your review paper. Please give an overall impression of the article using the third person and a formal academic style, and please don't make statements in the first person. While summarizing your article, express the main points, arguments, findings of the article in your own words, referring to your summary office for assistance, and show how the article supports its claims. Make sure how to include the article's conclusions, and review the summary you have written. Read your summary several times to ensure that your words are accurate description of the articles. While criticizing in your part, support your critic with evidence from the article or other text. The summary portion is very important for your critic. You must make the author's argument clear in the summary section for your evaluation to make sense, and use a topic sentence and supportive arguments for each opinion. For example, you might address a particular strength in the first sentence of the opinion section, followed by several sentences elaborating on the significance of the point. And please try your grievances and praise together into a coherent argument, forming your own thesis. And please don't review with your long list of unrelated critics. In conclusion, you may write a paragraph and summarize the main points of the article, as well as opinions about its significance, accuracy, and clarity. If it is relevant, also comment on implications for further research or discussion in the field. And please reread the review paper and read it again and again and try to find the mistakes in it. You may find the grammar mistakes, mechanics, and uses mistake. You might know that how to write the correct sentences, and make sure to cut any extra unneeded information in it. Make sure you have identified and discussed the 3 to 4 key issues in the article. So guys, this is my video about the review paper. I hope you will like it. Thank you very much.